holidays are such a stressful affair. Ain't got no time to take it slow. Well, I talked to Santa Claus, and he gave us one private evening under the old mistletoe. Oh, for we hear those reindeers walking, and all our relatives won't stop talking. I got business with you. Only present that I really need is to cozy up beside the Christmas tree with you on our Christmas for two. Phones are always ringing, why don't we put them away? I wanna only be right here. Merry Christmas, baby, why don't we see if we can have the most wonderful night of the year? We hear those reindeers walking, and all our relatives won't stop talking. I got business with you. Only present that I really need is to cozy up beside the Christmas tree with you on our Christmas for two. The shining lights, merry people everywhere, help make the season bright. But tonight, darling, you're all my darling, with those Christmas lights down low. The sleigh ride, darling, can't wait, darling, but those stockings have got to go. For we hear those reindeers walking, and all our relatives won't stop talking. I got business with you. Only present that I really need is to cozy up beside the Christmas tree with you on our Christmas